gotta maneuver.
Every challenge is an opportunity for growth.
I gotta maneuver.
Mula sa hinagap namin na mararating ang ganitong estado ng buhay, God's plan is always the best. Never forget that we are all worthy of success.
Are you ready? Wanted the pressure, I never complain. Shake it off and get back in the game. Pay the cost, now you making your name. You can maneuver, move around. Now they ready for war, they ready for change. Head down, gotta stay in your lane. Keep calm when the energy change. On a dime, gotta stop, maneuver, yeah.
Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans.
May mga pagkakataong pinanghihinaan tayo at minsan feeling natin sa sabong na parang bullets.
Make a judgment, program malfunction. I tore it down, then I jump ship. Are you ready? Are you ready? Witness the power of this. I'm about to win it again.
But despite of all challenges, always think positive and fulfill your life's purpose.
Win it again. I'm on an energy kick. I gotta maneuver.
Be strong and conquer every obstacle because victory is not just about the end result, but also about the journey and the growth that comes with it.
Gotta maneuver.
I am Jeneline Rodriguez.
I'm Lab Rodriguez, proud Team First Class, and I am worldwide.